Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. So yes, it is an exciting Monday. It is an exciting day. I know it is the day after the World Cup. Yes, the grand finale. And shout out to all of you football fans. Yeah, sorry your team didn't win, right? Condolences to all of the Argentinian fans. Yes, Argentina lost to Spain. But listen, congratulations, Spain. And that match, there was so many, well, so the whole football, yes, the FIFA World Cup football, so many lessons, life lessons. And one big one from yesterday, well, two big ones. Yes, the mighty can fall. And two, I know you don't want to hear that, Argentinians. But yes, number two lesson or second lesson, biggest lesson I learned or I gained from it is that we must allow others to win. Yes, to taste what it feels like to win. Yes, winning is sweet and you can't win all the time. You must allow others to win. So that's three actually. Allow others to win. Yes, and allow others to taste sweetness. And yes, you may not win all the time. And yeah, the big one, number one. Yeah, the mighty can fall. Yeah, the mighty can fall. So yes, it is an exciting week. Great things happening here at Monday Medz Global Group, Monday Medz Health and Wellness Ministry. Yes, we are still ministry. We still do ministry. We still do quite a lot of what we've been doing for you. So yes, reach out to us. You can call for consults and others. Yes, reach out to us. And yes, as we talked about earthquake preparedness on our Monday Medz Health Nuggets, you have to ensure that you have your whistle. Yeah. Make sure you have your whistle. Yes. So thumbs up. Thanks to my darling husband for getting me this whistle. He heard me saying I want a whistle for a while. So yes, ensure you have a whistle with you at all times. Just in case there is an earthquake, God forbid, you're trapped in the rubble, you can use it to let people know where you are. And yes, it can also be a signal to others to get others' attention. So yes, big thing. You have to have a whistle. Always have a whistle. I know many teachers have whistles, but let us practice trying to get a whistle. Every family at least should have a whistle. All right, so this is where we'll cut it for today, Monday Medz. And I hope that you have an awesome week ahead. And remember that, listen, there are terrible times ahead of us, but we know that we will not fear. Psalm 46, yes, God is our refuge and strength. And though the earth be removed and the mountains be carried in the midst of the sea, we will not fear because God is with us. Have an awesome week ahead, everyone. And yes, God be with you.
This is your Monday Medz, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.